So now we have some logic here to replace our existing product. Back in the products controller, we can now call this product service.update product and now forward our prod ID, our prod title, our prod description, and our prod price. And thereafter simply return null maybe because I don't really need to return anything else. There isn't really data I want to return. Of course you could return data, but I don't see which data we would pass back. Let's give it a try. Let's save that. And as before, let's create a new product first of all, because we restarted the server. Let's get that ID. Let's send a GET request to that ID to verify that it's there. And now let's create a new request here, a patch request to localhost 3000/products/that ID. In there, in the body, now set this to raw and then JSON. And there add curly braces. And then let's say we want to set an updated title, but no other values. If I send this, I get back no response body, which makes sense, but it is a success response, 200 status code. So now let's check this item again. Here, before we had a second test, if I send this again, we now have an updated title, and all the old data is still there.